Hello everyone, it's Louis from Yachts Co International Boat Sales. I am here in Neyland Yacht Haven on a beautiful spring day, and I'm going to be showing you around this lovely 1983 Moody 29. This is the Angus Primrose design with that flared bow. Let's have a look around. So we'll start looking around the outside to begin with, and then we'll hop up onto the decks and then down below for a look around the interior. So here she is, our 1983 Moody 29. The Angus Primrose design, which is classic. We've got that flare on the bow, on the recess here. Everyone knows these designs. They're tried and tested. Extremely good sea boats. Really good all-round family or couples cruiser. This particular boat, we're here moored in Neyland Yacht Haven. This particular boat was lifted ashore just recently, and the hull was completely stripped back, back to bare gel coat, 7 coats of international gel shield, and then primered and anti-fouled. No osmosis issues on this boat. So overall, she's in pretty good shape. She's got the lovely blue line, all in good condition. Decks are in nice shape. Aluminium windows in good condition. And the hatch is in good condition as well. So we've got a mainsail there with slab reefing and a furling genoa here. Running rigging all looks in nice order, as does the teak work and the covers. She's got this Ratsey Sailmaker's spray screen, and that's in very nice condition as well. Let's go up on deck. I'll just walk around forward for you first. So there's that classic recess. You can bring your anchor into, anchor chain going below decks into the anchor locker beneath. Lumar hatches in very good condition. I would say that they have been replaced at some point in her life. The decks are all in really nice original condition. Spinnaker pole on the deck. And the cockpit, which is equally in good condition, with these lovely cockpit cushions for comfort. Hardwood tiller. Lazarette locker here for storage. Gas locker is here. And then a huge locker under the floor for additional storage and bilge access. There's your hot water clarifier, and through that door is access to the back of the engine. Engine controls here, navigational equipment, compass, winch handles, and the companionway that leads into the saloon. So let's head on inside and have a little look around. We have a really spacious saloon area. 2 seats opposite each other, and a table here that folds outwards and lifts down. If you have a look at the photos on the advert, you'll see the table in its position for eating. Lovely big double table. Storage lockers and storage shelves all around. Both sides are mirrored to be the same. And then you have a bit of storage underneath either end of these seats as well. Engine access is through here. We'll have a look at the engine in a minute. First of all, we've got the galley. So we've got a oven, hob and grill, all gas. This lifts up. This is in storage mode. We've got a top loading cool box and a single round stainless steel basin with your hot and cold running water off the taps. Plenty of storage in here as well. A big sliding cupboard above, and then you've got your mug storage and your plate storage, and these storage drawers here as well. So loads of storage. You can put your plates in there, your mugs go down there, nothing falls out when you're at sea. Wish more designers put that into their boats. So opposite, we have the helm. We have the chart table. So we have a standard lift up chart table with storage beneath. Switch gear, instrumentation, Icon VHF radio. That's very, very new. And we've got a NASA target speed and distance log that's for the new owner, ready to fit. And then we've got the crew berth here, the quarter berth here, where you can sleep when you're on passage, or a lovely little space for children or guests. Of course, this bunk here pulls outwards and that fills into a double. So you've got loads and loads of sleeping arrangements. If we walk forward, through that door is a forward cabin, but before we get there, we've got the heads. So she's got a chemical toilet. She could be upgraded quite easily to a marine heads, seawater heads if you wished. Storage there, and then obviously the window. And if I come in and spin round, we've got the hand basin with a pull-out shower, hot and cold running water, double storage doors underneath, double storage doors above. Put your toothbrush in there, little glass in there, somewhere to hang your towel. Grating in the floor for the shower. So really good functional heads. And then in the forepeak, we've got traditional V-berth design. I've currently got this filled in as a double, but this piece removes if you want two singles. This has all been relined in stretch carpet. Really nice job. Very good condition. And then above us here we've got that hatch, and the headlinings are also all in very, very good shape. So forwards, back through the heads into the saloon. Again, headlinings are all in really good condition. So a little look at the engine under here. Batteries are under this berth. You can see the battery switch here. Right, I will move those steps out of the way and we'll take a quick peek at the engine. Right, I have moved the steps out of the way so we can reveal the engine. This is a 20 horsepower Buck. For those of you that aren't familiar with Bucks, these are really good old school mechanical reliable engines. So this would have been original to the boat when she was new in 1983. And these are excellent engines. They just keep going and going and going as long as you give them your yearly maintenance. They're really, really good engines. She's a two-cylinder, it's a DV20. So you've got your impeller here, it's your water pump impeller there. Yeah, and then fuel filter is down here. There we are. Good engines. Old school reliability. So that about wraps up my tour of the Moody 29. I'll just give you a bit of key information, some specs. She's 29 foot and 8 inches length overall. She's a 10'6" beam, and she draws 4'6". So although she's a Fin Keel, she doesn't draw a huge amount, so that really stands in her favour. She has 2,751 kilograms of ballast, and she's displacing 7,300 kilograms. As I mentioned, she's Fin Keel. She's going to sail really well. She's an excellent couples cruiser or a family cruiser. Loads of space in this saloon area. You've got a good sized galley, good sized forward berth, nice cockpit. She's a really good all-round cruiser, and for just shy of £13,000 you won't get much more for your money. She really offers exceptional value for money, especially as the current owners have really looked after her. She's had the gel shield work to the hull, and she is in a sail away condition. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, put your comments down below. Really interested to hear what you think. And if you're interested in this boat, I'll put a link to her advert in the description below. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe to my channel. We upload loads of videos, all sorts, motorboats and yachts. Everything that we see coming up on brokerage is up on YouTube. So do subscribe, and then you'll be alerted to everything new that comes up. See you again. Thank you very much for watching.